Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Okay, our chapter name is fractions. In the last class, we have seen what is fraction and what are the types of fraction. Do you all remember? Yes. Okay. Today we are going to solve the problem. First question, example 1. Take your book and take page number 22. Example 1, page number 22. Okay, our question is evaluate 2 3 by 5 plus 1 4 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5. We are going to evaluate this numbers. The number is 2 3 by 5 plus 1 4 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5. First you say which type of fraction is this? Which type of fraction is this? These are all which type of fraction? Yes, very good. Mixed fraction. Okay. This fraction name is mixed fraction. First we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. By using mixed fraction we can't able to evaluate. So that first we need to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. What is improper fraction? What is improper fraction? Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. Very good. That is improper fraction. So, first we are going to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So, 2 3 by 5 plus 1 4 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5 is equal to, first convert the first fraction 2 3 by 5. How will you convert mixed fraction into proper fraction? First we need to multiply these two numbers, right? 2 into 5. What is 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus 3. Then add this numerator number. 2 into 5, 10. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. Yes, very good. 13. So 13 by 5. We have converted the first fraction 2 3 by 5, then answer is 13 by 5. Okay, then plus, put the plus symbol, then 1 4 by 5. 1 4 by 5. Again convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is 1 into 5? 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 4. What is 5 plus 4? Just add both the numbers. 5 plus 4 is 6 7 8 and 9. Yes, very good. 9 by the same number 5. Okay, 9 by 5. Then next, which symbol is there? Which sign is there? Minus sign. So minus 3 1 by 5. 3 1 by 5. First we need to multiply these two numbers, that is 3 and 5. What is 3 into 5? 3 into 5 is 3 into 5. Yes, very good. 15. 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1 is 16. So 16 by 5. So we have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Next we are going to evaluate. Okay. No. Next, check all the denominators. Whether all the denominators are same or different. All the denominators are same or different. See the denominators 5, 5, 5. All the denominators are same. So it is a like fraction. Okay. In the case of like fraction, what will you do? Commonly you will be putting the same denominator and you will be add or subtract the numerator, right? So same procedure. Commonly you put one denominator, that is here the denominator is 5. You commonly put one number 5. Okay, then write the numerators. 13 numerator with the sign. Okay, 13 plus 9 minus 16. Okay, write the numerator along with the sign. 13 plus 9 minus 16 divided by 5. Understand? 13 plus 9 minus 16 divided by 5. Okay. Next we are going to solve. Okay. First add these two numbers. That is 13 plus 9. What is 13 plus 9? 13 plus 9 is 13 plus 9. Yes, very good. 22. So 22. Write the remaining number minus 16 divided by 5. 22 minus 16 divided by 5. Now subtract 22 and 16. Just subtract 22 and 16. 1, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So 6 by 5. So we are getting the answer 6 by 5. Now see the question. In the question they have given the fraction as mixed form. So we need to write the answer in the mixed form. Okay. If the question is in mixed form means the answer must be in mixed form. Okay. Here it is a which fraction, which type of fraction? This is improper fraction. Next we are going to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Understand? Yes. So how will you convert 6 by 5 into a mixed fraction? First divide. Okay. 6, 5. 1 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So our answer is, first write the quotient 1, then remainder 1 by 5. This clockwise order. Okay. 1 by 5. This is the answer. Okay. Answer is 1 by 5. Do you all understand? Do you all understand? First, we need to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Then check whether all the denominators are same. If all the denominators same means it is like fraction. For like fraction, you will be commonly putting one denominator 5. Then add and subtract the numerators. When you are adding and subtracting, you will be getting the answer 6 by 5. In the question, it is in mixed form. So the answer will be in mixed form. Okay. Just convert the 6 by 5 into a mixed form, that is 1 by 5. Understand? Okay students, our next example 2. Question is evaluate 5 by 9 minus 2 4 by 9 minus 2 1 by 9. This is our question. We are going to evaluate this sum. So first, the question is in the form of mixed fraction. So we need to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. How will you convert? Do along with me. 5 by 9 minus 2 4 by 9 minus 2 1 by 9. This is the question. We are going to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. So first take the first mixed fraction. So 5 into 9. What is 5 into 9? Say 5 table. 5 into 9. 5 table or 9 table? Yes. What is 5 into 9? 5 into 9 is, yes, very good, 45. 45, then we need to add this 5 to that number. 9 into 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 45 plus 5. Yes, very good, 50. So 50 divided by 9. Okay. Next put the same sign, minus. Next change the second term. So 2 4 by 9. What is 2 into 9? 2 into 9? 2 into 9 is, yes, very good, 18. 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4. Yes, very good, 22. So 22 by 9 minus, next third term, 2 into 9. What is 2 into 9? 2 into 9 is, yes, very good, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 by 9. So we have converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is the next step? Next we need to check the denominators. Yes, very good. Check all the denominators whether it is same or different. Now check the denominators whether all the denominators are same. Yes, all the denominators are same. So it is a like fraction, then it will be easy, right? So commonly put one number 9. Put the denominator 9. Then write the numerators 50 along with the sign. Okay, 50 minus 22 minus 19. Okay, 50 minus 22 minus 19. Now see, next we are going to solve. Now see here, minus 22 minus 19. Minus 22 minus 19. Both the numbers are having same sign. If both the numbers are having same sign means what will you do? You will add both the numbers. Yes, very good. So 22 plus 19. What is 22 plus 19? 9 plus 2, 11. Balance 1, 3, 4. So it is 50 minus 22 minus 19. What is the answer? Both the numbers are having same sign means we need to add both the numbers and put the same sign. Yes, very good. Same sign. So minus 41 divided by 9. Now subtract 50 minus 41. What is 50 minus 41? Just subtract 50 minus 41, borrow, then 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is 9 divided by 9. Now what is the answer? 9 by 9. Both the numbers are same. So we can cancel each other, right? So cancel it and write 1. So our answer is 1. Okay, so our answer is 1. Do you all understand? Do you all understand? Yes, very good. So students, our next question, exercise 2A. Exercise 2A, page number 27, okay. Exercise 2A, page number 27. First Roman letter, that is add the following. Second question, B. Second question, okay, B. Our question is 7 1 by 2 plus 11 1 by 4 plus 3 1 by 8. This is our question, okay. We are going to add this numbers. First, see the question, which type of fraction is this? The type of fraction is a mixed fraction, right? So first we need to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, okay. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So listen, 7 1 by 2 plus 11 1 by 4 plus 3 1 by 8. This is our question. First we are going to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. See the first term, 7 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2, how will we convert? First we need to multiply these two numbers, right? 7 into 4. What is 7 into 2? Sorry, 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is? 7 into 2 is? Yes, very good. 14. 14 plus 1? 15. 15 by 2. 15 by 2 plus, see the next term, 11 1 by 4. 11 1 by 4. What is 11 into 4? 11 into 4 is? 11 into 4, yes, 44. 44 plus 1 is 45. So 45 by 4 plus next 3 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8. What is 3 into 8? 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is? 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus 1, 25. Yes, very good. So 25 by 8. So we have converted the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now what is the next step? We need to check the denominators. Yes, very good. Check all the denominators, whether all the denominators are same. Whether all the denominators are same? No, it is not same. Okay, so which type of fraction is this? So which type of fraction, if different denominators are different, means the type of fraction is? Yes, very good. Unlike fraction, okay. If the denominators of the fractions are different, means it is unlike fraction. So first we need to change all the denominators as the same value. We need to convert the denominators as same. So okay, for the conversion we are going to follow a method, that is LCM. Okay, the method name is LCM. This LCM you have learned in the lower class, right? LCM, least common multiple. Do you remember? Least common multiple. We are going to take LCM for all the denominators. So take LCM. LCM means least common multiple for the denominators, that is 2, 4 and 8. Okay, take LCM for 2, 4 and 8. Right here, 2, 4, 8. You all know how to do LCM, right? So first go from the smallest table, okay? So take 2 table. How many times 2? 1 time, right? 2 into 1, 2. Then 4 how many times? 4 how many times? 2 times, right? 2 into 2, 4. So 2. Then 8 how many times? 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 3. Sorry, 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 2, 8. So 4 times. So 4. Then again go for 2 table. So write the same number 1, then 2. How many times? 1 time. So then 4. How many times? 1, 2 is 2. 2 2 is 4. So 2 times. Then again go for 2 table. 1, 1, 1. Until you are getting 1, you need to solve. Okay. So now we are getting 1, 1, 1. So our LCM is, we need to multiply this all the numbers. Okay. Just multiply these 3 numbers. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, that is the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2, 8. So our LCM is 8. Okay, LCM is 8. Next we are going to convert this, all the denominators as 8. Okay, we are going to convert all the denominators are 8. This term you no need to convert because here the LCM, denominator is 8. So no need to convert this number. Don't change this number. We need to convert the first two numbers. Okay, 15 by 2 and 45 by 4. Okay, so for that, so first take 15 by 2. 15 by 2. We are going to change this denominator 2 into 8. Okay, we are going to change this 2 to 8. For that, 15 by 2 into 8. Okay, just multiply this number with the LCM number. Okay, just multiply this number with the LCM number, that is 15 by 2 into 8. Okay, 15 by 2 into 8. Now we can cancel with 2 tables, right? 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. 1 2 is 2, 4 2s are 8. So what is 15 into 4? 15 into 4 is 5 4s are 20, balance 2, 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So it is 60. So this 15 by 2 changes to 60. Okay, this 15 by 2 changes to 60. In the place of 15 by 2, you need to write 60. Okay, same we are going to change for next number, that is 45 by 4. Just write 45 by 4. Just multiply with the LCM value. Okay, LCM is 8. So just multiply with the LCM value. Then again we can cancel with 4 table. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. What is 45 into 2? 45 into 2 is 5 2s are 10. Balance 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So it is 90. Okay, 45 into 2 is 90. Next 25 by 8. 25 by 8. If you are multiplying with the LCM, what is the answer? Both the numbers are same. So 8, 180 is 8, 180 is. So 25 into 1 is 25. We are getting 25. So this number changes to 60. 45 by 2 changes to 90. 25 by 8 changes to 25. Okay, next write. Then write all the numbers. 60 plus 90 plus 25. At the denominator part, which number we need to write? What is the LCM? LCM is 8, right? So our number is 8. So our denominator is 8. In the numerator part, you need to write this all the numbers. In between all the numbers plus, because in between all the numbers plus sign is there. So 60 plus 90 plus 25 divided by our LCM is 8. So 60 plus 90 plus 25 by 8. Okay, now add all the numbers. 60 plus 90 plus 25. First add first two numbers. What is 60 plus 90? 60 plus 90 is 60 plus 90, 0, 6 plus 9. Yes, very good. 150. 150 plus 25 by 8. Then again add 150 plus 25. What is 150 plus 25? 150 plus 25 is 5, 7, 1. So 175 by 8. Finally, we are getting the answer 175 by 8. Okay, understand? So we are getting the answer 175 by 8. Next, we are going to change this improper fraction into mixed fraction, because our question is in the form of mixed fraction, right? So we need to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. For that, what we need to do? Just divide 175 by 8. First take the first two numbers. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. Just subtract, balance 1. Then remaining 5. Okay, then again go with 8 table. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are, it is 16. So 186. Just stop with 1. 188. Now subtract 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 is, so 15 minus 8 is balance 7. Okay, now you write the answer. Write the numerator value, that is 21. Remainder 7 by 8. So our answer is, this is the answer. Okay, 21 7 by 8. 21 7 by 8. This is our answer. Do you all understand? Understand? Okay. Okay, our next question is same exercise 2A. Same, add the following. Question number D. Okay, 11 1 by 5 plus 12. 11 1 by 5 plus 12. So 11 1 by 5 plus 12. Now see, this is in the form of mixed fraction. This is a whole number, 12. So which number will come in the place of denominator? If the number not having any denominator means, which number will come? It is just simply you just put 1. Okay, if there is no denominator means on the denominator part you need to put the value 1. Okay, in the question, if there is no denominator means we need to put the denominator as 1. Okay, now convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. This is in the form of, this is in the form of improper fraction. So no need to convert, just convert this first value, that is 11 1 by 5. What is 11 into 5? 11 into 5 is, yes, 55. 55 plus 1, 56. So 56 by 5 plus 12 by 1. 56 plus 5 plus 12 by 1. Now check the denominators, whether we are getting the same denominators on the two fractions, whether both the denominators are same. It is not same, so we need to take LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM? LCM for 5 comma 1. Just take the LCM for 5 comma 1. What is the LCM da? When you are taking LCM, take 5 table 1 1. So our LCM is 5. Okay, keep it in mind. When you are taking LCM with the number 1 means you will be getting the same number as the LCM. 5 LCM for 5 comma 1 is 5. So our LCM is 5. Okay, so first 56 by 5, just multiply with 5. We will be getting, what is the number? What is the value? 5 and 5 cancel. Our answer is 56. Okay, first convert this 56 by 5, then again 12 by 1. 12 by 1, just multiply with the LCM 5. Okay, 12 by 1 into 5. We can't able to cancel anything. So what is 12 into 5? 12 into 5 is 2 5s are 10, balance 1 6. So 60. Okay, so answer is 60. So finally you need to write 56 plus 60 divided by, what is the LCM? The LCM is 5. So 56 plus 60 divided by 5. 56 plus 60 divided by 5. What is 56 plus 60? Just add both the numbers. 56 plus 60, 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is 116 by 5. It is in the form of improper fraction. Just convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 116 into 5. 2 5s are 10. When you are subtracting, you will be getting the remainder 1. Then 6. Then again, which time? How many times? 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. So our answer is 23 1 by 5. This is your answer. Understand? 23 1 by 5. Okay, first take the LCM for 5 and 5 comma 1. 5 comma 1, our LCM is 5. Then multiply with Then multiply each fraction with the LCM. So 56 by 5 into 5 is 56. Then 12 by 1 into 5 is 60. Then add both the numbers. Our denominator is the LCM. So 56 plus 60 divided by 5. So our answer is 116 by 5. When you are converting this into a mixed fraction, so our answer is 23 1 by 5. Understand? You all understand? Okay students, these are all the today's class. Please watch the video fully, and if you have any doubt in means, please ask me in the Zoom class. I will send the notes and homework in the WhatsApp group. Please make use of it. Okay, thank you all.